Andrew, no.
Did you only turn it on?
Yeah, that's all.
I turned it 1 degree last hour. My units don't really work properly, so when they turn on, they keep running forever, and then they'll turn off and they won't turn back on until I make it turn on. So it's just like this constant game of. So anyway, it hadn't turned on in a long time, so I clicked the button and turned it up, so then it ran forever. Okay, if I ask you to find this derivative, where do we start?
Outside.
Outside. What's the outside?
-5.
Inside stays the same.
Yup, sure does.
Subtract 1 from the power, so now it's
-6.
times. We're working our way in. Derivative of the inside. So derivative of x
1 plus
plus the derivative of this. What would happen?
-3.
Inside stays the same. Subtract 1 from the power
-4.
times derivative of the inside.
1 plus 2x. Whoa.
Whoa. That one's beautiful.
And now we simplify.
So look for simplification to be done. Because of the 1 minus in our parentheses, there's really not a whole lot. I think the one on your homework, this was a constant, so you could multiply like the -3 and the -5, but we can't even really do that here. So I would just leave it like this. That's my answer.
You don't want to multiply the -3 and the 1 plus 2x?
You could. Alright. Last one. So, what do we have to do here?
Oh, we're gonna have to divide. Quotient rule.
Okay. Bro. Low. D high, derivative of the top. So the 4 comes down, inside stays the same. Subtract 1 from the power times derivative of that inside is
2x plus 1.
okay, so this whole thing right here is just the derivative of the top. Minus high D low, derivative of the bottom. So what happens?
3x plus 1.
Inside stays the same. Subtract 1. Goes to the third times derivative of the inside.
1.
1. So this whole I didn't mean to do that. My goodness. This piece represents the derivative of the bottom. All over low squared. Okay, so we did quotient rule with chain rule here. Is that okay? As far as simplifying, let's see what we can do. I would at least want you to pull that 4 to the front. You could multiply it with the 2x plus 1, but you don't have to. In this one, we have a 4 times 1, so that's a 4. And the whole, on the bottom, the whole thing would be to what power?
To 8.
Anything else we can do?
Take out the x plus 1.
We have 4, 8, and 3. So we could take out 3 of them. So that would leave 1 here, 5 there. So final answer. actually don't need that today, person. I know. Changing it up from what your homework said.
What, we don't have any questions?
Oh, I didn't say that.
We don't have homework. Whoa.
Alright, are there questions on that?
Some in the book.
Okay, so we are still practicing chain rule. It takes a little getting used to. So we're practicing it today, and also Monday I'm going to be at a conference, so you're going to have another handout Monday to practice it some more.
Is your ACT conference?
Mm-hmm.
ACT.